हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपको पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में कुछ और पॉइंट्स समझा रही हूँ रिगार्डिंग आवर स्लाइड्स। तो फर्स्ट है इसमें, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इन स्लाइड्स में, जो ये 3 स्लाइड्स हैं मेरे पास, सो यू कैन सी इट दैट देर आर सम ग्रिड लाइन्स in my slide. You can see this dotted lines. Okay, so if I select another slide, first slide, so you can see the grid lines here also in this slide. And if I select my third slide, you can see some grid lines or dotted lines you can see in the whole slide. So it is because the grid line option is selected here. Okay, and you can also see the ruler, the horizontal ruler, and you can also see the vertical ruler because ruler is also selected here. So if I deselect both these options, these tiny grid lines will disappear. Okay, and our slide will be without these grid lines. So I'm deselecting it. See, the dotted lines, grid lines have disappeared in all the slides. And if you want to remove the ruler also, then just deselect it. Okay, and again, if you want ruler and grid lines in your slides, you can select it. Then there is options like move split. Now in move split option, it happens that the splitters, it moves the splitters which separates the different sections of the window. So what happens when you actually, it moves the splitter in the sense, when you select this option, see what happens. You have selected this option. Okay, now you have to work with arrow keys from the keyboard. See what changes happens on the screen. See, like this. Okay, this you have to do with arrow keys. It moves the splitters. Okay, like this. See, the changes is happening. So whatever you are adjusting through the arrow keys, by using this option, okay, like this I have done, and then press the enter key. In whatever way you have used the move split option, like this, or with forward arrow key like this, or backward arrow key like this, you can use the arrow keys. And then I want something like this, and then you have to press enter key. Okay, so you can do like this. Then there is one cascade option. Cascade option, it just cascades the open document windows on the screen so that they can overlap. Means if you select this option, see, the screen will appear something like this. You can see the cascading effect on the screen. Okay, so again, you want to get back to normal, you can just select this and get back to normal. Switch windows is the option through which you can switch to windows. Like when you select this option, I have now these presentations. So whichever presentation you want to open, like I am working on this, if I want to open this, you can switch on to presentation 3. So these are some options regarding our slides. So in this video, all this for now. I will explain more components in my next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.